I think we're doing this thing because it's who we are. We at Monmouth College clearly care about the community and our world. Our VITA program that provides tax assistance to the community, our kinesiology students who coach at the YMCA, the student volunteers at the Jameson Center, faculty and staff who help create and support 5K fundraising runs in the community. I'm hopeful that the center will be able to enhance and support those things that are already in place.
No successful organization can exist in a vacuum. The goal of any enterprise should be to effect positive change in the world. While the Center for Civic and Social Change is itself new, in many ways it represents just the most recent example of Monmouth College's long commitment to being a force for good in the lives of young people, and through them, a powerful force for good in the world.
In my life, I've realized creating change does not demand that you're rich. It does not demand that you come from a particular background. Neither does it demand that you have a PhD or any other social class that we affiliate or define ourselves with. If you can imagine it, if you can dream it, if you can believe it, then you can do it, and you will achieve it. When you have a dream, do not hold it to you, share it. Allow people to share the dreams with you.